Hey guys, Mr. Flatters here. You guys already know that. Welcome to day 1 of social studies. Today we're going to be talking about wants and needs. And the best way for me to do that is to be sitting here eating gummy bears in front of you. So good. Now, a lot of us eat when we're hungry. And we know we're hungry because our stomach will start rumbling and go rah, 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 rah. Well, when we're hungry, we need food. When our mouth is dry and our throat's sore a little bit, well, it's a good way to tell us that we're thirsty. We need something to drink. Now, I could easily go get an apple or get some water. Those are the healthy choices. Those are the needs my body should be getting. But they're not always the things that I want. Take the gummy bears, for example. My body doesn't need this much sugar. My body doesn't need candy. But I want the sugar. I want the candy. All right? They kind of do the same job as the apple. If my stomach's hungry and I'm eating the gummy bears, well, suddenly I'm not so hungry anymore. But just because it's something that I want isn't necessarily something that my body needs. Okay? So, think about that. Think about how, when you're hungry, think about the things that you want. Think about the things you need. Well, you need to have a healthy meal, but maybe you want to have a candy bar. Maybe your body needs water, but you really want a Dr. Pepper. Yeah, all right. So go ahead and get your packet ready. Get your mouse ready if you're clicking around on Schoology. And join me in just a second as we go over a mini lesson about our wants and our needs. I'll see you there. Hello guys and gals, let's go ahead and kick off our worksheet by writing our names and the date at the top of the paper. Today is 9/14/20. That stands for September 14th, 2020. And this worksheet deals with wants and needs. I mean, you guys just saw me talking about wants and needs a second ago, how I might want to eat gummy bears, but I need to eat healthier stuff. You can't make me eat a salad, though. How dare you even suggest it? That's just awful. But my body probably needs it more than it needs the sugar from gummy bears. So, wants and needs are very much driven by our bodies and our own interests. A want is more so something that we are interested in, rather than a need, which is something that is important to our survival. Okay? Let's go ahead and read this passage here and see what it has to say about wants and needs. Wants and needs. We all need things. We need food and clothes. We need air and water and a place to live. We need these things to live. Sometimes we want things. We want toys and special clothes. We want our favorite things to eat and drink, like gummy bears and soda. These things help make us happy. All right. So our wants are usually driven a little bit more by happiness rather than our needs, which are driven by the actual stuff we need to survive. Both of them can make us happy, but our wants tend to make us a little bit more happy. All right. With that being said, though, let's go ahead and look at number 1. It says circle 2 things that are wants. And our choices are toys, games, and air. What are 2 things we want? Well, I can tell you right now, toys are one thing we want. We don't need toys to live. So, I'm going to circle toys. And then we've got games and air. Which one is another want? Another want is going to be games. Okay, I mean, as much as games are fun and we want to play them, we don't need them. They make us happy, but they don't keep us alive. All right, number 2. Based on the text, why must we get all our needs? Based on the text, why must we get all our needs? They make us unhappy. We can't live without them. Or they cost us money. Well, it's definitely not they cost us money. I mean, sometimes our needs do, but that's not what the text said. This would be our text. So based on the text, why must we get all our needs? They make us unhappy, or we can't live without them. Well, can we live without our needs? No, absolutely not. So we need to circle B. We can't live without our needs. We can't live without them. Okay? It's really important stuff, guys. Our wants make us happy, make us happier than our needs anyways, but we need stuff in order to live. All right? Remember that. Whew. That was a good lesson, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get running. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about wants or needs, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, guys.